All right, let's look at the homework 1.5, problem number 1. All right, so we want to use this graph to find the following two limits. All right, so let's do that. All right, so for part A, we want to find the limit of h of x as x approaches -2. All right, so -2 is right here. All right, so it's a -2. Right? So we are approaching, so this is a regular limit from both sides. So you're approaching -2 from both sides, right? Then you can see that if you are approaching, say, from the left, right? You're approaching from this side, along the graph, so you can see that tendency is heads toward this point. And approaching from the right, you can see that the tendency is heading toward this particular point, whose y coordinate is -9, right? So this right here is -9, right? So therefore, the limit of this function f of x as x approaches -2 is -9. So this is equal to -9. Right? Let's check the answer. All right, so we know that that's -9. All right, I came back and we got the part A correctly. All right, so let's look at the limit of h of x as x approaches 0. All right, so where's 0? 0 is right here, right? So we are approaching from both sides, right? So we're approaching from this way and also that way, right? So, but if you look at the corresponding graph, you can see that the graph is heading toward that particular point, even though the graph is actually missing there. And then from this side, it's just still the same, right? Even though this is an open circle there, it's still the tendency is heading toward that particular point whose coordinate is 0, -7. So therefore, the function value is approaching -7, right? So let's type it in. So we have -7, right? Let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.